Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we will be discussing about different stocks that we can trade on 29th December. So first of them is Asian Paint, and in Asian Paint you can see that there was a structure that has been disrupted. So you can see overall structure is bullish in daily chart, and now after this breakdown we saw some upside move, then again support to the channel, and then again there is some high, and then we are seeing some kind of lower high or lower higher high and higher low. So in this case my suggestion would be to go for trading in bull side in case the closing happens to be above this trend line. So if you go to lower time frame in 15-minute chart, you will see that Asian Paint has taken a structure, good structure in bullish side. So in case if it comes down, I would say that around 33.40, then you can take entry here as well if you see some rejection, or you can wait for the breakout and just once it breaks out you can. And since closing has happened above this, if you see here in daily chart, closing has happened above this trend line, so I would suggest that wait for the further confirmation and see if breakout happens in the morning, morning 1 hour, and price doesn't come down, then you can go for bullish trade with stop loss just 5 to 10 rupees and target of at least 3400. Next then next stock is Mphasis. So in daily chart you can see that the downtrend has been broken, and we need to wait for this closing above this candle, because to this point there has been rejection, and we're also seeing that if we compare this zone as okay, so in this zone we have seen rejection in past. So if we see closing above high of this around 33.40, same as your Asian, then we can kind of go for bullish trade, and target can be around high of this point, or to be precise you can kind of target for around 34.65. so you will have target of more than 100 point. So let's see how price goes. Alright, in low time frame you can also make some trend line here and see what are the different possibilities from where reversal can happen. So you can make such sort of trend line, and yes, it is following the recommended situation. But the thing is you don't need to take trade in the downward. Next stock is Navin Fluor. So we have seen that there was a breakdown of your support line. Now price is coming to the channel, upside channel, and now closing has happened above the 52 weeks high. You can say we can take 52 weeks high here, but seeing as the previous 52 high, it has been broken yesterday, and today we have seen that it has sustained to the point. And so if we see some closing or some reaction for upward above this, you can take trade above this, or you can take small quantities at this point, 420 and 4 to 10 rupees, and keeping a stop loss just below this candle, because we have seen rejection, or you can say support from here and then comes up. So we can keep SL of 10 to 15 point and then wait for the break out of this candle, and then if it breaks out, then you can increase your quantity as per your appetite. Next stock is Sun Pharma. So Sun Pharma has recently got some deal, so you can also check for that in Google News. And now also it has taken good support here and coming down with good, coming up with a good volume. So we might expect a sort of price action, just like the there is a upside move, then came down, then upside, then came down, upside. So we might expect some downward movement and then upside move. So either you can take either of the trade in either side, but make sure you understand the support point. All right. So if we see here, then it is making sort of you can say cup sort of situation. So if we come see, it's taking a cup kind of trend line. Okay, so we might see some sort of move in a range that is your this. All right, so it can come down to certain level, it can come down to this level 804 and then can go upside. All right, so I would suggest that take entry around 810 and see if it moves up or not, because we are seeing a good move with good retracement values. Okay, so we are seeing retracement and then upside move. So this is one of the good thing here, tradable. And then next stock is Torrent Power. So in Torrent Power we have seen that it is moving upside with a good channel, and then it broke out and came down because of overall market failure. And we have seen that at this point it took support, because it was earlier it was resistance, and now it has taken support and it is moving upside. So if we see here in daily chart, it has taken good support. Now if you go to minor time frame, then we are seeing that 548 has been good resistance point. So in case this point breaks out, then I am expecting at least movement for 570 at least in intraday. Thing is that this level needs to break out, and since it has respected not just once, twice, thrice, and then so we might expect some upside movement. All right, so wait for the breakout of it. And the last stock is Titan. So Titan is kind of having a reversal, but I would say the reversal would be not possible, because for that to happen, it need to break out this level 2410 and everything, because this range has been a quite rejection area for that. But for intraday you can take entry or take intraday trade, having in mind that this trend line is my ultimate target. So in 15-minute chart we can see that if we get entry in certain zone, let's say if you get entry around this level 2350, then we can go for target around 2399 or 2400. So that can be your kind of good target. So in this case risk reward ratio is not that much, but for intraday I think it would work.